wat dah pedeng gajing sya berngam bakinum yok tulap lada ki pep tray ni pelong ji khi persya penban ginung tray lani service delivery staff apo National Health Mission hak santri kunaitung arjar puar klaimi pajba bandawa ban penkiu tulap kini ginung tray hanong ba shlong kilai lum Muhammadan Malki haswa bikin nyai pajba sya office trikam ka Directorate of Health Services kebadan halaim kra kum kadak ban penpa pajba ya kecing dawa chungki kumban syukdau bakini kinong tray kila sya maham ban pep tray ni pelong cingki dak ba syabu kondon bakin hap soi man kasngi ban pensisya ke cingwan tray jungki lengba ka karwa cing bentep na mission director Ram Kumar S mana kasau tray kunaitung arjara puar
Ito ganyarong supo na kamajay-jay mo.
Baningkong ka penpau kum bangilayawan lang ni distrik mo baju penpau ningkong kani ka jing yakhi kalau haki ar penta kani kesi bo menta ka baningkong kolong apo ni hanong pa shalong ba ka pura di ka jing yami pa ka jongi kalong hang ni ka dai na kani ka rationalization ka bangiyong di kidon ki staff ki bahap ko jo kani ka kanhun ko jo kata kalama jo ka service delivery mo jo ka Meghalaya di kidon ki staff ki ba hadin balale ya kani ka rationalization di kajing siu kajongki kalahiarno di bat ba ngidon ru ka jinget ba kani ka rationalization ka balale kamshim don kata ka le harkom ka badai bat da ka ba da bishar bania da kanu ka kanhun ti ngisukwa ban pan jing shai ke kumngi ki ba trailang hakani ka por ka menta ba haba lale yak nu ka kam kumbalakular da mission director Ahmad Jongi akan dikapo por ke balada ke bangilaya kendo yo ong ba ni unpej benia bat un bishar lingba ka qualification ke pengidon kidon hang ni ki doctors kidon hang ni ki staff nurse akan ka kanhun kidon ki ANM bat kumta terter ti hendrai klem dapet bahai ka qualification ke bangi ngidon ti lasule lese hakanu karukom ka ba la bishar da kanu ka kanhun kata ken ka mamla ban pau shai kapor momta kita ketika pengilaya mi syakmat dengan kapor momta kumangilaya I mo hakikat kubor ka press release ka bawan ka office job mission director tikum ba pila yo sngow hi hangni menta ka wei ka store ba lada UMD ong ba kunshim gino ki action timenta ka sngi nginya sign hakmat DHS yaki attendance ki jongi pat nginya ai ang tehi ke nang ba UMD unyo I yaki attendance ka jongi lada ni pep tray na kanu kada ti yakaba kawai ka lenti ka bangin shim kali ka senjam ka syong ba kan sami nak jing yalang na po turaru haban nilai kendo ban punya keren ban kiwi pat ki representative kahadu mentang impat la ban ya batai nomor ba kandidat kanika rally na po tura le se ki representative ki banang tai ki la ban ai khubor yangi bat nang niru le se kandidat kanika rally katan kanika jing ya shim dan ti de kami pat ni se perkat kahadu menta te kalong BKI ke balami ha press ni bot ya katai ni don kumba ar hajar tamme
Bang hapus berapa?
apostit berapa dan arah jatan
mereka tulap jengi ka sa kumju ngim satisfy ke ni ka by MD yang ngi menta ka janjar pha na long ngim yo DA also ni habla na dong na di berit ha doi behe menta yang ajar report menta hingi haban ai ka report kadang ngim palable roh nam by tomorrow only then we are very difficult because we are working in the field. We have to collect from the ASHA. If some no ASHA, we have to go by themselves. It takes time to deal with the locality, with the community in the field. So we are not satisfied with this salary. So I request the MD to give what we are demand.
I'd like to say that we, all the staff nurses, we are not satisfied with the salary that we have received by the third draft. Even the first draft, the second draft is the same, and we expect that the third draft it will be increased, but still it is the same. So accordingly to the livings that we are living today, a standard living, and all the things have been increased, it is not satisfied. It is not according to the salary that we have received. So what we request to the MD, if he can increase a little bit, it should be according to our needs and according to our responsibilities and according to our workload which we work in the UPHCs, either the PHCs, either the CHCs, especially the staff nurse, all the nurses like A&M nurses, they have to conduct the delivery case. In case the doctors are not there, if anything happens, like any critical case or any situation happens, the nurses get the blame. So the doctors also have been increased. What about the nurses? So we request the MD, if he can increase the salary for the nurses also, it will be satisfied for us all. So with this, I request and I please the MD also, kindly look into us. Thank you.
At least someone from HR department, right? Yes. So at least we can clarify our doubts. At least they can listen to us. So we want someone from HR department. May not be the HR manager, may not be the boss, but anyone who is working in HR department. So we request that one only, so that we can put our grievances in front of him.